Isn't it great when you have cool office gadgets to help you relieve stress at work or even improve your work? Technology is moving in fast forward these days, and the gadgets that are produced always bring something new and interesting. You'll notice that in this collection of the coolest office gadgets that I have for you. So let's get started. Number 10, Magnima AirPoint Ring. Instead of losing your audience's attention by attempting to navigate through slides with a computer mouse, use the Magnima AirPoint Ring finger wearable to improve your presentation strategy. This device employs 3D navigation and provides the same functionality as a traditional mouse, allowing you to control presentations with just your fingertips. Furthermore, this finger wearable is much more comfortable and versatile than clunky presentation clickers, and the Magnima AirPoint Ring gives you more power to command your attention and turn conference halls, lecture halls, meeting rooms, and other spaces into interactive spaces. Furthermore, this device gives you more freedom while presenting and allows you to concentrate on engaging your audience. It can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. Number 9, BitSignal Touchless Card. With a BitSignal Touchless NFC card with a cyber-themed mesh design, you can transfer information in an instant. It operates with a single tap. This physical business card easily connects to the digital card, and there are several physical card styles to choose from. It incorporates NFC technology, allowing it to wirelessly share a link to the digital business card with almost any modern smartphone. Simply program it with custom data of your choice, and you can easily send it to your clients' and prospects' smartphones with a single touch. You can also use a custom QR code if you have an older smartphone or a device that does not support NFC. It also directs prospects to your information. Additionally, you can change the information your card shares or where your card directs visitors using the built-in software. Number 8, IKEA UPPPSPEL. There are times when you want to stand while working, which is why the IKEA UPPPSPEL desk exists. You have the option of sitting or standing at this desk. In fact, it can be adjusted to 4 different heights, ranging from 140 centimeters to 180 centimeters. Choose between 2 lengths of the IKEA school desk, 140 centimeters and 180 centimeters, with the push of a button. Both options are black and measure 80 centimeters wide, giving you plenty of room for all of your essential gadgets. A contoured tabletop design provides extra space for your forearms and wrists, as well as the ability to leave your cables down behind your desk. It all depends on how you install the top. You can use the controller's built-in USB port to charge a necessary device, and you'll appreciate the durable matte surface that reduces reflections. Number 7, Altwork Station. The Altwork Station mechanical desk completely alters your perspective on working at your desk. This mechanical workstation, designed with your health in mind, encourages productivity by allowing you to work in nearly any position. The versatile combination of chair and work desk allows you to stand, sit, or recline. Don't spend your entire workday in one likely uncomfortable position. Instead, you can stand and work comfortably at the built-in all-cork desk. You can recline when you just want to work on your laptop in a comfortable position, and you can sit up straight built for comfort when you need access to multiple monitors. This chair has a headrest and a footrest. You won't even notice when your 8 hours of work are finished. Number 6, COLOP e-mark printer. Print barcodes, stamps, logos, text, and images on a variety of materials with the COLOP e-mark mobile printer. In fact, prints can be applied to any level surface. This useful device works like a stamp to print images onto a material up to 5.9 inches wide. Additionally, you can use your own images and text in the Remark app to transfer to any material. Thus, you can add a barcode to packaging, a name to an invite, or a logo to a piece of fabric. Additionally, the e-mark mobile printer allows you to print your logos, images, and texts in multiple colors, and if you require any assistance, the ready-to-use imprint. Number 5, ECLIPSE Cable Tidy. Instead of settling for a cluttered and cable-ridden space, use the ECLIPSE Cable Tidy by the Native Union to see through the clutter while complementing your space and style. This cable tidy keeps everything in order while also allowing quick and easy access to the cables you use the most for any of your USB charged devices, including USB-C. The ECLIPSE Cable Tidy is simple to use and install. Because the ECLIPSE Cable Tidy has its own power cord, once the cables are coiled inside it, they are safe and secure. You can place the system wherever is convenient to give yourself an extended charging range. Number 4, Gather Modular Organizer. Put an end to clutter once and for all with the Gather Minimal, Modular Organizer, which houses an ever-expanding collection of devices, cables, gadgets, and more. Clutter thrives on your desk. Unlike other so-called desk organizers, is completely modular, allowing it to adapt to your workspace with hundreds of combinations. You can reposition the elements on the grid as needed. It is also suitable for both right and left-handed users. Furthermore, built-in magnets promote total organization for your devices, writing utensils, and even your headphones, allowing you to expand the system. In fact, it can go beyond your desk and help you tidy your entire home. Gather Organizer is designed to be simple in design to keep your organization simple. Number 3, Bluelounge Posto Stand. The Bluelounge Posto headphone stand conforms to the shape of your headphones thanks to its flexible rubber headrest. This makes a lovely display for them when they're not in use. Because of its universal design, it is suitable for headphones of all sizes. The Posto only needs to be assembled once. The Posto, once assembled, will keep desks neat and tidy for a more efficient workspace. The small footprint of Posto makes it versatile. It is available in black and white. It won't take up much room, but I'll make sure your headphones stay in place. There's also a silicone headrest that conforms to the shape of your headphones and maintains their structure rather than simply tossing them on your desk. Your headphones will now have a nice home. Number 2, Pro Base Stand. Upgrade your setup with a Pro Base USB aluminum monitor stand. Totally sleek and minimalist, this stand is everything you need right at your fingertips. The Pro Base uses aluminum to offer a durable platform to securely hold your monitor. In addition, it can also work as a laptop stand. However, there's so much more to it. The Pro Base is complete with a USB Type-C port as well as a 4K HDMI output, and it also has USB ports. This design lets you cut the clutter by keeping your cables out of sight in line with the tidy design. The bottom of the Pro Base offers additional storage to stash away your keyboard or laptop when they're not in use. The Pro Base lifts your display to the optimal ergonomic height and is perfect for using your monitor as a second display. Number 1, espressoDisplay V2. Work on the go with the espressoDisplay V2 portable monitors. Integrate your monitor with Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, and other devices to maximize your performance anywhere. The collection includes 3 products, all of which come with unique features to help you succeed. The espressoDisplay 15 Touch V2, in particular, boasts a 15-inch screen with touch capabilities, all the while palm rejection technology allows you to make markings and edits on the screen without any accidental smudges. Moreover, these espresso monitors offer 16.2 million colors for vividly bright images and text, and with 300 nits you can see everything in crystal clear quality. Finally, these monitors measure just 5.3 millimeters in thickness to remain super portable and lightweight. I hope, in this video, you get to know more about the latest unique gadgets in the market. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video.